crafters, welcome back to another episode of My Crafty Garage with me, Tanya. It's been a while, I know, and in this episode we're going to take some trash cans, some plates, some lights, some rope, and turn them into a cool side table for your outdoor living. Okay guys, so I've been seeing a lot of people doing this craft on my craft groups and on Pinterest. I've seen it a few times and I decided, of course, I need to make this because I think it looks so cool and it just gives a beautiful decorative touch to your outdoor living or even your indoor living, right? Whatever you want to use it for. Just a little tip, when you're going to glue the baskets together, if you're using waste baskets like these where they're like that woven type of style, you might want to use a more solid centerpiece because see how it fell apart here. So I ended up having to use corkboard just so it makes it more sturdy and you're guaranteed that they're going to stick together. Alright, so now that your waste baskets are glued together, you're going to take some jute or some nautical rope. You can even use ribbon or whatever you want, and give it a decorative center. Now, this is really up to you. I did it because I wanted to hide the corkboard that I have in the middle holding my waste baskets together, and I think it just gave it a nice decorative look. Now I went around it about 6 times on each end, so it gives it that nice thick full look. So once you guys are done that part, you can actually go ahead and spray paint it any color you'd like. I ended up using a texturized brown spray paint. This is actually a gift for a family member and I wanted to match their outdoor furniture. I also needed something to weigh it down because the waste baskets are very light and I don't want it blowing away in the wind. So I ended up using some decorative rocks from Dollar Tree and it gave it a beautiful touch look. It's amazing. And I did also buy some battery operated lights from Dollarama. And this gave it the most beautiful touch. It looks like there's a little fire in there every time you turn it on. Okay, so once you've figured out how you want the top part of your table to look on the inside, it's time to glue your charger plate, which is what you're using as your base for the top. I am using some E6000 glue and hot glue to hold this together. The E6000 glue takes a little longer to cure, that's why I'm using the hot glue because it gives it an instant stick, but for the long run the E6000 glue will work a lot better and it's a lot sturdier and will stick pretty much anything for life. Alright guys, and here is the end result. I am in love with it. Here's how it looks with all the furniture. It's beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out.